guys, what's up? Welcome back to the last day of concealer week, day 5. Cinco días de concealer. It's been really fun and you guys have really been loving concealer week, and it's been exciting. It's been so cool. So I definitely think I'm going to continue this series of doing concealer reviews. Like you guys are so smart. I mean, you guys came up with this idea and you guys are genius. So today for day 5, I'm going to be doing another new concealer, the Fenty Beauty Concealer that just barely came out. I'm actually wearing the Fenty foundation right now, but this is the concealer that we're doing today. I'm really excited for this one, and we're gonna see if it works with my dry under eyes. We're gonna see how it works. So if you've missed the other days of concealer week, I'll put a playlist up in the iCard so you can go check those other concealers out. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna see what Fenty says the concealer is supposed to do. We're gonna try it on. We're gonna see if this particular concealer oxidizes because the foundation sort of does. And we're gonna be wearing this throughout the day, and I'll be checking in with you guys, and we're gonna see how it works. So on my under eyes, I have like these deep creases, like folds, like one deep fold. Concealer is always gonna sink in there, okay? But some concealers look better and don't like break apart in there, which is really good. Also, I have some little lines and it's just dry underneath my eyes. So we're gonna see if this will accentuate it or if it will blur it and make it look super nice under there. So let's get started. Okay, so the Fenty concealer at Sephora retails for before we get started, make sure you're subscribed, make sure you've hit the notification bell because foundation week is coming up, you guys. I'm gonna post like 2 videos first, like 2 random videos, and then foundation week is coming up. I'll put the dates right here if you're interested. So you definitely want to be subscribed. You definitely want to hit the notification bell so you're notified about foundation week. It's gonna be great. There's a bunch of new foundations that I'm gonna be sharing with you guys, so I'm really excited. So let's get started to what Fenty says the concealer is supposed to do. So on Sephora it retails for $26. There is a lot of shades. There are 50 shades, okay? So it says, it is a creamy long-wear crease-proof liquid concealer with light as air, medium to full coverage that brightens under eyes and conceals blemishes and redness. Free of parabens and blah, 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 blah. It's cruelty-free. It's a full coverage cure to living life to the fullest. The sweat-resistant formula comes in groundbreaking range of 50 easy-to-shop, soft matte shades, each designed to pair with your Pro Filter foundation shade. Okay, so I did pick up the shade 240, which is my shade in the Pro Filter foundation, which I'm wearing right now. Supposedly they pair them up, but the concealer is supposed to be a couple shades lighter so that it can match and brighten, not necessarily match this for the face, if that makes sense. Looking at them in the bottle though, it seems like the concealer is darker than this one. I don't know if that's just like the glass playing tricks on me, probably. So let's go ahead and apply it and see kind of how it looks underneath my eyes. Okay, so here we go. I'm just going to start applying it to the face. I'm going to do a brush on one side, a sponge on the other side, just to see, just to test it out. I'm just going to start with a little bit. Yeah, I don't know if this actually looks lighter. It actually looks dark. Well, it doesn't look drying. It looks nice under there. I don't think it looks brightening. I'm gonna just swatch this just to see. So it definitely doesn't look lighter. I don't know if you can see the concealer. So this is the concealer, this is the foundation. I don't think the concealer looks lighter, and it's kind of has a peachy tone, which I don't mind, but looks like my foundation's lighter than the concealer. So yeah. I don't think that matches. I think I would have still gone, I should have gone a shade lighter, is what I'm thinking. The foundation has pretty much oxidized 2 shades darker than my skin. So I guess when it dries, it's a little bit lighter. It's not brightening enough. I would have gone like a shade lighter. If you wear 240 in the Fenty foundation, I would do a shade lighter. I would do maybe 2 shades lighter of a concealer. Okay. It's hydrating. It's like it's not drying out my under eyes, which is good. Okay, I'm gonna set this and then I'll show you guys what it looks like really up close. Okay, so this is what the concealer looks like in natural lighting. It's not bad. I would have liked a lighter, maybe 1 shade lighter, but it's okay. It looks good still. But you can't help anything that seeps in there, but it does look smooth right here, so that's good. Okay, so I finished the rest of my makeup, and let's see how the concealer looks now underneath the eyes. I did set it, and I think it looks nice. It looks smooth. It's not looking bad at all. It does look smooth. I would have gone with a lighter concealer for sure. Maybe the 230 I would have gone with, I think, than the 240. But it looks nice. It just looks even and nice underneath the eyes. I have no complaints. It's not super drying. I'm not writing it off. I'm sorry if I'm really mellow and like not excited today. It's not, has nothing to do with this product. I'm sick, so. But it does look good under there. It did cover and it looks smooth, so I'm excited to see how long it lasts. And I did like the texture, and it was almost, it felt to me almost dewy. Like it didn't feel matte to me. I don't know, when I was putting it on, it felt like a really dewy formula. I mean, I didn't let it dry down or set. I definitely went in right away with powder, but that's kind of just like my thoughts. So I'll check in with you guys in 5 hours, and then I'll check in with you guys at the very end of the night, and I'll show you how the concealer looks then. Let me know down below if you've tried this concealer, what you think of the concealer, or if you've tried the foundation, what you think of the foundation. Let me know down below. And if you match me in shade and you have a Fenty foundation shade match that matches, let me know down below in the comments. I am trying 240 right now on my face in an oxidized darker. So if you match me in shade and you have a better shade for me to try in Fenty, let me know down below in the comments. All right, I'll check back in with you guys in a little bit. Okay, so I'm checking in on the concealer, and I think the concealer looks really good. It hasn't sunk into any of my lines. It doesn't look like dry or crusty, and the more I look at it, I do like the color. I think the color is nice. It brightened a little bit, and it does look good, and I love it with the foundation. So far, so good. I mean, the Fenty concealer is working pretty well. So I'll check in at the very end of the night, and we'll see how long it lasts then. I just literally washed my face off. I'm going to show you guys how the concealer looked after 8 hours. I feel so sick that I just got in the shower. But I liked the concealer. It actually lasted. I don't think it was full coverage. It was like medium coverage because my under eye circles, like I can really still see them. But the concealer looked good. It wore good. Even though I rubbed at my eyes, it stayed pretty well. And I liked it. I liked the formula. It wasn't over drying. I could actually wear it without looking crusty. So I definitely gave the concealer like a 4.5 out of 5. It didn't completely wow me, but again, it was really nice. So I definitely have to keep playing with it. But first impression thoughts is I do like it. I like it. I'm going to continue to use it. I would have gone like a shade lighter, but besides that, it was a good concealer. It looked nice. Thank you guys so much for watching Concealer Week. I'm sorry I look like a legit wreck, but Foundation Week is coming up, you guys. Next week I'm going to have like 2 random fun videos, and then Concealer Week is going to be coming up. So I love you guys. Thank you so much for all your support. You guys are absolutely amazing. And hi and welcome to all my new subscribers. I love you guys. You guys are so awesome. And I'll see you guys soon.